Yo, what's up, guys? This is gonna be a vlog today. You already see my man right here, MDG Collections. Go to his channel. The thing will pop up right there. This is a unique way. That's that 392 6.4. We in that Daytona 2017. All black everything. You see the Daytona right here. I mean, you probably can't see it, I'm a little big, but you see the Hellcat, got the Hellcat hoodie on, repping for my Mopar people. But today we going out to Long Island. We going to TLife's event. Go look at his.
Prepare to keep right at exit 29E W after 2 miles.
All right, so go ahead and subscribe to his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel will be in the description. And shout out to 2 a.m. Georgie Dick. shout out to that brother, man.
Yeah, hopefully you're gonna be out there 2 a.m.
Yeah, hopefully you will be out there, man. You'll see this video tonight. Yeah, that's his YouTube name. He don't got any content yet, but as Mike was telling me, he does have a Challenger. He got a Challenger RT.
Yeah, Challenger RT.
A Challenger RT. Maybe in the future, we'll inspire him and he'll start posting some content. So go ahead, subscribe, show the brother some love, and shout out to him because he told me about this event. I didn't even know about this event, and then I asked my boy Mike, you feel me, if he could take me to the event. He was already going, so now we're here. We're going to the event. But today's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a vlog. You'll see the different cars. We're gonna be. I never met TLife. He seems like a cool dude. I watch a lot of his videos. It's just gonna be a good day. Nothing but positivity, and looking forward to having fun. We gonna have the drone out. Yeah, that's that 392. You see, I'm trying to hold my head up. You see, I'm trying to hold my. I'm like.
Payback to some guy. Yeah, you did me.
Yeah, right. I was watching that video.
when you drove.
Yeah, I was watching the video too. I was like,
yeah, I gotta get you back. Yeah.
Word. Yeah, that 6.4 is not a joke, man. It'll snap your leg. You feel me? But yeah, today gonna be a lit day. So thank you all my subscribers for watching. People continue to comment, like, share. And see you a little later.
Pulling up here at 200 Country Road. Going up to the roof now.
We finally arrived, guys. We're going up to the roof right now. 392 sounded good. This garage is mad low. I'm here at RT Life's meet, and here I met a new friend, Steve, and he has a 2004 Dodge Neon SRT 4. And look, it looks like you did a ton of work, definitely. Tell me about it.
Well, obviously I got the engine bay all powder coated. Everything can be powder coated. It's powder coated basically. I got the retrofitted headlights. They have HIDs in them. Got the HID fog lights. Got the front splitter. Powder coated my intercooler.
Okay, white. I see that.
Got the custom badges for Grouchy because, you know, Smurf is blue and white and his car's Grouchy, so I figured I'd name it Grouchy. Got the 1552 Tarmacs in white. Wheels.
Beautiful.
Got the Firehawk Indy 500 tires, Firestones.
I see you got the drilled and slotted rotors.
Yes, I do. And the brake calipers are also powder coated blue. Got the custom interior. It's all blue and white, leather and suede, blue suede, the headliner suede.
How long did this build take you?
I've been building it since 2005. It's an evolution process. I change it every year. Got the pistol grip shifter. Every Mopart's got to have a pistol grip.
Yeah, true indeed.
Gotta have your sounds too, you know.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Gotta have the sounds, you know.
Yeah, definitely. This is beautiful. You definitely did an excellent job on
Thank
this.
you.
I like how it looks clean.
She's dirty right now, but I'll clean her up a little bit.
And you see that, veteran. So definitely, thank you for your service.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I like how the exhaust tips look.
Thank you. Yeah, those are Weapon Art exhaust tips. They're titanium.
Can we get a little sound?
Sure. I'll start it up.
Thank you.
RT Life. There's no ego in my boots. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Steering wheel is custom made steering wheel. It's a stock steering wheel. We just modified it, cut it down the bottom here, added the grips, leather grips here, and it retains a stock airbag, so I don't have to worry about, you know, if I get into an accident, just get some people. So.
Thank you, Steve. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Very cool.
All right, guys, here we go. CT Charger right here. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's a beautiful beast you got right here. I like the theme, white, black, and red. Beautiful. Tell me about the car. What you do so far?
Well, I did a lot of all the engine work. I did all the painting and the pinstriping, and my theme is a 50th anniversary because my first car was a '66 Charger. So I'm kind of paying homage to that.
True.
Did all the painting myself, and
you did all of this yourself?
Yep. All the red highlights I did myself. I did the pinstriping myself.
It looks thorough.
So I haven't done really too much on the performance end.
Just more so visuals right now?
Just visuals, yeah. I got I got new tires and wheels. I got the 10.5s in the back with 315 tires. 9.5s in the front.
I see the RT right here.
Yep, I got the RT badges on there. I did the red pinstriping around there.
Oh, that's nice. I like that.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, man. Pain in the ass putting pinstriping on a circle like that.
But the outcome is amazing.
It looks good, yeah.
It
gives it that Hot Wheel car look, you know?
True indeed.
Yeah.
345 Hemi.
Yep, I did the pinstriping here along the C scallop.
And you kind of had a vision for this? I see it on the mirrors.
Yep. Yep, and I got you know, full window tints. I got the Lux tints. I got the Heritage Charger badge right there.
Yeah, I noticed this. It's beautiful.
Yeah, that's you know, that's paying props to my old car.
True.
So, and it doesn't stick out much, does it?
Nah, not that much. On the bottom when the car, you know,
Yeah.
the tilt right here.
Compare RT Life has the
Yeah, I saw his,
315s,
yeah.
and his stick out a little bit more.
Yeah, his does.
He's got the spacers on there.
I see you got a tinted right here.
Yep. I got the Lux tints. Got an extra Hemi badge there.
I see you got it tinted.
And I got oh yeah, and this is actually easy lift.
Oh, that's nice.
You know, it usually goes on the front underneath the. But I wanted to lift up the back a little bit here, you know, and
It looks good.
Yeah.
And then I see you got.
Right. Yep, I got the one there.
It looks good. Did an excellent job. Anything on the interior?
Oh, I got the red black theme going on in here. I did the you know, a lot of people do that. The seat piping.
So you got the beat system in here.
Yeah, I got the Beats. Yeah, this is actually a super track pack. So it's I put these on. These are illuminated. It's pretty cool at night. Yeah. And then just you know, got the red pillows.
Oh, that's nice. You flashy in here. And it smells good in here too. See the seat belts?
Yep, I just got those.
And how's it been treating you so far?
Oh man, I love it.
I love it.
Yeah. And just meeting up with all the guys like this is just fantastic.
And what about those doors?
It's got the Mopar Stage 1 catback exhaust and the cold air intake.
Can we hear it?
And that's yeah.
Yeah, it sounds good, bro.
Thanks.
It sounds good. Love it. Subscribe to this guy right here. His YouTube channel will be right down there, right?
Thank you.
And I love this.
Look at this. You see the RS?
Now, one of the things
That's dope.
we talked about the tires last night.
Like the
Oh,
Daytona.
these are not like stock tires. These are like winter set.
That's what I want you guys to hear. Smart man, look what he did.
20 by 8, 245, 45. So okay.
Right. I want you guys to hear from the horse's mouth. All right. He's a smart man. He didn't just keep the tires on there and be an idiot like I did and keep the same damn tires on. He got winter tires. All right. He's got to use.
I like how you class it with the purple.
Yeah, that's the theme. Well, the cars are the Green Lantern. So,
Like I said, this is his YouTube channel right here. Blvd. All my subscribers. He's got 10,000. I got people that's not on here.
That intake is huge.
huh?
That intake is huge.
Yeah, that's the stock. That comes with the Daytonas.
I got it twice.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me what you did so far.
Headlights, totally modified out. A lot of hearing stuff. Badges have been done.
See signatures.
Yep, that's Ralph Giles, the CEO of Design Mopar. And then Muffler Delete and American Brothers stuff. That's it. Otherwise, oh, and the taser.
Can we hear it? like your build. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
So, alright guys, we have LS AMG right here. You see he's Mercedes-Benz AMG. He got his AMG right here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
2013, bought it new. Big Mercedes fan. Did a couple mods to it.
What kind of mods?
Got ceramic coated headers, air intake, ECU tune, 82mm throttle body, acropovic exhaust, and we're running on that corn, so it's a flex fuel vehicle.
True indeed, true indeed. I like how the headlights look. The headlights look official, beautiful. And I like this light right here. Do they come like that?
No, this is that aftermarket. Swapped it out. They want that yellow.
Yeah, I know what you mean. You got the drilled rotors.
Oh yeah, stock. It comes stock.
AMG, brake calipers. 6.3 AMG. I see you got the carbon fiber right here.
Yep, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber rear diffuser, and carbon fiber limiter.
How's the carbon treating you so far?
It's treating me great, man. I love it. Bought it new in 2013. For 5 years now.
It looks brand new.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Dang. That exhaust and the tips is big. Pause.
Yeah. After COVID.
Can we hear a little something?
Yeah. See the name on there.
Sounds good. That thing sounds good. That sounds good, bro.
Thanks, man.
Didn't expect it to be that loud.
Yeah, it's just headed straight pipes.
Let's take a look under there. And who did your work?
Bergen Imports in Cliffside, New Jersey.
Everything
Harry's the man.
Harry's the man?
Yeah, Harry's the man. He's a master mechanic. Works on everything: BMWs, Mercedes, Mustangs, Mopar. He's a real good guy.
Everything. He's thorough with his stuff.
He body work too, so good shot.
I see the carbon fiber.
Yeah, we have carbon fiber. It's a little faded. This one's a little faded from the heat. But we got the air intake here.
Oh, yeah. I see this. That comes stock?
Bar? No, it's aftermarket bar.
How much power this is putting out?
Haven't had it dyno, but just with the mods, they're talking like over 600, like 5 and change at the wheels. Supposedly, again, having dyno, trying to set that up with a bunch of other guys from the club.
Oh, that's dope. That's official, man. I like this car.
Thanks, man.
And the interior.
Just regular stock cloth interior.
That's the leather with the suede.
Yeah, Alcantara.
I like how the sand wheel looks. It's beefy. And the paddle shifters.
And you have radar detectors in the headrest, integrated into the headrest.
I see that 200 on the dash too. And you said the radar is in the headrest?
Yes, integrated into the headrest.
Wow, that's dope.
Laser jammers integrated into the front wheel. And the rear too.
Thank you, brother. And I like the color.
Yeah, they call it diamond blue.
Diamond.
It looks like a blue or a silver, depending on how you look at it. Sometimes it's silver, sometimes it's blue.
Let's see if the camera picks up on that. Any future things? Or you pretty much done with it?
I'm pretty much done, man. That's it. So I know a lot of guys go supercharge. This is my daily, and this is no more. I'm sorry. Let me take that back. I get some wheels for it.
Okay.
I get some new shoes.
That you had those for about 5 years since you bought the car, right?
Stock wheels haven't changed. I'm just going through the tires. The tires on the WS, Continental WS, when I'm going to live up here.
Right.
So they're really good. But of course, you know, everybody runs the Michelin Power Sports.
True.
So, you know what I'm saying?
True.
Those summer tires. So the DWS 6 pretty good. They're pretty good tires for this, you know, for up here. They good performance. A little bit of snow we had, the rain.
Well, thank you, brother. I appreciate your time.
No problem. Yo, make sure you check out Matty Matt's video. You know what I'm saying?
True,
subscribe. You guys know what to do. Hit that subscription button. Let's get him up there, all right?
Thank you, brother.
All right.
I appreciate
Thanks,
it.
man.
Right?
Take care, man.
I like this. It's a Scat Pack. I'm not sure what year, but very clean. I like this SRT right here. See, you got the blue LED lights. Hey Frank, what year? This is the owner.
Alright.
2016. I like how you got the blue LED lights.
Yeah. So basically you're gonna pull your front here.
Very clean, very clean.
So
Very clean.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off like this. You guys are gonna like rev each, like it's almost like a person. Yep. Yep. So it's almost gonna be like you guys are squaring off. So this is good? Alright. Yes. Good. You're good. You can kill it until we get everybody like kinda like lined up.
Talk about one love. Here's a Challenger with nice rims, 22s, but he says it's a lot of problems. And drilled rotors. See the Hemi.
So many potholes to avoid. Can't get the tires I want. It's tough. It's tough.
What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was phenomenal, right, MDG?
Yeah, kill time.
It was phenomenal. RT Life, thanks for hosting it, man. I had a fun time. Met a lot of great
In half a mile, exit the highway at exit 23.
CT Charger. What was the other guy?
JMC rides.
Yeah, JMC rides. LB
LB 3711